Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, and if you need to find the fuses for the fuel injectors, stay with us. We'll explain where they're located. You may have up to 2 fuses. Another thing, we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, and if your fuel injectors are still not working, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So we will cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. It doesn't matter, guys, if you have a V6, V8 engine, it will work on both practically. And if you come right here next to the engine, you will have your fuse box. That's your engine compartment fuse box. How do you open? You have two things that you squish, pull straight up, flip it on the side, and you will have here the fuses and the relays, guys, that we'll need to check. Now, fuel injectors, if they do not work, it could be multiple things. We have special video, guys, how to replace fuel injectors. We have a special video why Chrysler 300 cranks but does not start, okay, and it will teach you about that as well, what else could be causing that. But if you come right here and you count the 6 fuses from right to left, 1, 2, 3, the third row from top to bottom, 6 fuses from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That fuse right here, you need to check that fuse there, guys, and you need to check this fuse next to it. These 2 fuses, 5th and 6th fuse from right to left. So 1, 2, these fuses needs to be checked. Super important to test them because sometimes you cannot tell if they're burnt or not. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses in the description of the video below, and how to test relays. Also, if you need to buy replacement ones for a good price and quick shipping, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.